This is a video on how to create a new ASEBA-Web account. Once you have purchased a new ASEBA-Web account through our ASEBA store, customer service will send you an email with a letter that looks like this. Please read the entire letter because we get many calls from customers who have questions that this letter actually can answer. The letter states, please carefully read ASEBA-Web Procedures Manual. Click on this link below to start to create your ASEBA-Web account. Once you have created your account, this link will be invalid. You can only use it once. There are some links below here that are directions on how to add users, the step-by-step procedures of how to create your account, where the instructional videos can be found on YouTube, the quick start guide link, letting you know that passwords need to be at least 10 characters in length with an uppercase and a lowercase. For the account name, you will make up the account with the name or number. Also, the account can have no spaces. And below, if you are from the US, in the US domain, your login for this account will be www.aseba-web.org. If you're from the EU domain, it will be www.aseba-web.eu. And please note that this ASEBA-Web is a subscription service and it needs to be renewed annually. Once it has expired, you'll be given 6 months grace period. After that, the account and the data will be purged and you would have to buy a new account. You'll be receiving reminder emails probably about 6 months out before it expires, so you should have plenty of time to renew this account if you want to continue using it. Okay, once you click on the link here in the letter, this website will open up. It has 5 different tabs. Each one needs to be filled in to be able to create your new account. On the Help tab, you will see that we have answers.aseba.org, which is a website that will answer many of your questions. Also, our technical support information is techsup@aseba.org. That's our tech support email. Our tech support phone number is 802-735-1540. You can either click on the next tab or click next. I'm going to click next. Here is where your license key will automatically load in. Please do not delete this. All you have to do is click on validate to make sure that it's actually a valid license key. So when I click on validate, it'll show up in red. It'll say license key is valid. Some people see that in red and they assume it says invalid, but just please read that. It will say license key is valid. If it does say invalid, please give us a call and we can send you a new link. Below here, this is the blank where you would put in your account name. You can put anything in here that you would like as long as there's no spaces, and it can actually be a number as well. I'm just going to put in ASEBA testing. And then I'm going to click next. And here with the account information, please fill in your organization name, your email, your phone, the street, the city, the state, the postcode, and the country. Okay, once you have filled in this information, please click next. This next tab is the administrator information. This will be the person who will actually be the administrator for the web account. So administrators can create users, they can reset passwords, they can disable users. So please make sure that the person who information is in this tab is going to be the administrator for the account. So I have gone ahead and filled in all the information on the administrator information tab, and then I'm going to click next. Here, all 4 of these agreements have been already checked by default, but it's the EULA, the HIPAA license, the data consent, and the GDPR processor contract. You can click on more details, for example, and it will bring up the license that you would like to see. And then click on Create Account. The account will be created and it will give you the information for the account credentials. And here it gives you the website to log into, what your username is, and what your account name is. The password, it doesn't show on this page, so please make sure that you write that down and then click on Sign In. It's going to go right to the ASEBA-Web page, and it should autofill with your username and your account name, and then you would need to put in your password and click sign in. And at any time you get invalid credentials at all, please click on I forgot my password, put in the email address that you used to create this account with, and you should be able to get a reset email password to be able to reset your password and get back into your account. This is what a new ASEBA-Web account will look like once you log in. To be able to start your assessments, please use the Start a New Assessment wizard, which will create the assessed person, add a form that you want to that person, add an informant, and then it will ask you whether or not you want to send that form to an informant through email. And then on the left-hand side is where all of the assessed people will be. On the right-hand side will be their forms. So this has been a video on how to create a new ASEBA-Web account.